Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli and thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my Patreons. Your support is really meaningful. And those who ordered their Tesla using my link, thank you. I got lots of free mile and so did you. And speaking of Tesla, we have just a couple days until the Tesla a federal tax incentive goes by half from $3,750 to $1,875. So hurry. Today we're going to talk about service. As you know, Tesla sold in the past, especially in the past 2 or 3 years, tons and tons of cars all over the United States. And I'm talking about hundreds of thousands. And one of the things that always comes up is service. I feel that Tesla did a great job in terms of supercharging. Literally, I mean, it's still growing and growing, but the supercharging network is really progressed almost ahead of the production of the cars. In most areas, and there are some places on the coasts where superchargers are busy, but for the most part, really got ahead of the game. But not so much in service. So especially in what we call dents and scuffs, and when you have a little bit of scratches here and there. And Tesla was not geared to that. And taking a Tesla to just a regular mechanic or a regular body shop or whatever can cost you an arm and a leg, literally. And Tesla now said that they are working towards and opening up and certifying more, so to speak, more Tesla centers, service centers, to deal with those small dents. I mean, my Tesla, which I only own for 8 months, already has scratches here, scratches there, here and there. It's no big deal, but these things add on, and then you would like to have a place to go. And Tesla centers did not do such a thing. And even if they did, you have to wait for such a long time, or they send you to a certified body shop place by Tesla, which did cost a lot. Now, I can tell you that there is a Tesla mobile service, for flat tires and things like that. But when it comes to body shop, it can only be done at a place, can be done on the road. And this is the area, I mean, I would say the whole service challenge needs to be addressed as fast as supercharging. I think it's really becoming an issue. For people who want to say, listen, I just have to tell you, as a Tesla owner, many of the technical stuff are serviced over the air. I mean, there's updates all the time that are serviced over the air, and therefore, that's taken care of that way. But the mobile service is also good, but still, there are places that people are really far away, hundreds of miles from any Tesla service place. These things need to be addressed, and I think that Tesla is starting to do that, but it cannot come fast enough. And it has to be done. But it's a good start now that Tesla can do certain small body shop repairs, but it has to be full in every place, and Tesla service centers have to grow rapidly if Tesla wants to continue to sell as many cars as they are planning to. All right, guys, let me know if you have a Tesla. Let me know if you needed any kind of a service that is not, screen or whatever that was fixed over the air, if you had to actually go. I went for an annual service. I made an appointment, was no problem at all, no issue. I went a couple times to change the tires from snow tires to regular tires. Was no issue also there. Was no wait time, or I didn't have to wait that long. But if something really needs to be done, a dent or a small collision or whatever, that's when it takes a long time. Let me know. Let me share with us your experience. Meantime, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. More video coming tomorrow. Bye.